Hi everyone. So the web tool that I chose to use today is called Capwing. And so basically you just get to make little pictures and projects with it. So it wouldn't look like this if you didn't have an account, but since I already have an account, it looks like this. You would open up, just go capwing.com, and there's a little thing right here, a little icon that says sign up. It's free to sign up. And once you sign up, you can start using all of these tools. What's cool about this is you can make your own project, but also if you want to come back to a video that you've already made, you're able to add subtitles to it. If you want to add video behind a add audio behind a presentation, you can do that. Or if you notice your videos are playing a little bit too big on your projector, a little bit too small, you can come in here and resize them, and they're really good with keeping the pixel quality. So I'm just going to start a new project, and you can open a specific tool, which was partially if you're going in specifically knowing you want to add subtitles to your video, you could go here. If you didn't click that link, this one you can just do everything with. It says, it's the all-in-one tool for making images, videos, and GIFs, whatever you call them. So I'm going to start with the studio, and you can upload and drag a file onto here to be the background, or you can start the blank canvas. For funsies, I'm going to upload a picture of me and Kiza because isn't that awesome? HBU Pride. So oh, don't I love when I don't name my photos? Okay, it is this one, I'm convinced. Awesome. That would have been really embarrassing if it was anything else. Not really, because it just has pictures of me, but I just know that there's pictures of me with a face mask on there, and it's just not how I want to present myself to y'all. So here's a picture of me and Keys, and I can, over here, I can fix if I wanted to crop out the football field, if I wanted a better shot of just me, if I wanted to crop myself out and just make it Kiza, because isn't that what we all want? I can round the corners on it, and that looks really cool. It's like a little poster. I can rotate it. I can have multiple layers on here, like in Photoshop and in Word, so I can bring things forward, I can bring things backwards, I can duplicate. I'm going to just stick with this one. So what you could do is you could potentially set up a presentation with multiple scenes in it, but I think I'm just going to keep this back scene. And so what I've seen this used for is for my teacher used to do something called Motivational Monday, and so they would have quotes on here, and they would be jumping around and just really cute things. I had a psychology teacher also in high school who he did little memes, and he used this little web tool for that, and it was really easy for him because it's all in one place. And so I'm gonna add some text on here, and let's see, I'm gonna type so Husky Pride. I think that's super cute, and really cool thing about this is I can add in animation. So here it has, over here on this side, you have your word, and I'll go through them all so you guys can see them, but you can fade it, you can make it flicker, this one makes it rainbow, changes through the rainbow, this one's wipe on, and then vibrate. I like that one. I think it's really cool, so we're gonna use that. something that's really cool is you can pick the speed. So if you want to slow down the shakes, or if for some reason you needed it to be shaking like crazy, there you go. I'll just keep the default, and then you can press done. And so once you publish it, it should be shaking. That way you're not staring at it do the animation the whole time that you're working on it. I could also change like the font if I wanted to. I could change. So the fonts in here is fonts that are on Capwing only, not the ones that you have on your computer. So you just have to find stuff in Capwing that you really liked. And my computer's been running really slow all day. It's not the app. I like this one. It's a little bit thicker, so cute. You can lock it there because, like I said, like you can have layers on here. So like if you were going to add multiple things on top of each other, you want to make sure like something doesn't move, then you could lock it down. You can change the color. I think I'm going to add in, there we go. I'm going to add in some shapes because like that's fun. And there's if you get premium, you can have more shapes. They also say more coming soon. It's because once they're in premium, the shapes that are used the least get dropped down to the free subscription. So, but I'm just gonna add a check mark because that's cute. And I think I'm gonna make it red. No, blue? Let's stick with the husky theme. So let's make it blue. I'm gonna make it really big. And I'm gonna move it over just a little bit. And then if you wanted to, you could add audio under it. I didn't save an audio file. Well, I did save an audio file, but then my computer kind of shut down. It's a long story, but I don't want to make y'all sit and wait for me to find an audio file to place under it. And basically that's it. Like if you're gonna make like a one-page meme, like that's pretty much the features of it. Like you can put a picture down below it, you can edit your text, make your text move, you can add your shapes, you can make your shape move, but I don't want too many things shaking at one point. So this was capwing.com, and I think I would use this in class as like just a little like my cover page to my presentations, to like my lecture notes if I had some. I would also use this to make what we called a book trailer. We did it using iMovie, but I think it would be really cool to do it since you can craft a presentation through here. And so it would be a good like way to introduce a book to the students, way to capture their attention about what's going on. You can put different themes and everything. I also think this would be a really cool place to make like the collages that we made at the beginning of the year. I think this would be a really cool place to do that because there's just, you can also edit your photos through here. I just didn't edit it kind of because my photos are already kind of heavily edited because like, that's just me. But yeah, if you were gonna do a presentation, you just add scene. So whenever you're done, you're just going to publish. Your watermark-free content is being processed. So this this process can take a little bit because they do it right on the spot, and so like my computer has been going really slow today, so it might be just a little bit perfect, but there it is. And then you can download it. You can also go back in and edit it. You can make a copy of it. You can post it to your socials. And I just think that this is a really cool 2.0 tool to use. One, because it's free. We love free things. Two, because you can use your own images. It takes off the watermark for you. And I just think that that's really cool. And I'm sorry that I said a lot and cool a lot. And I'm sorry about my voice. I don't like it either. So there's that. But thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you learned how to use this tool and that you'll use it in your classrooms.